12 amazing things to do in Havana. Number 12. Stroll through Old Havana. Begin your adventure in Havana by exploring the vibrant streets of Old Havana, Habana Vieja. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a captivating blend of colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and colorful buildings. Wander through Plaza Vieja, Plaza de la Catedral, and Plaza de Armas, each offering its own unique charm and history. Don't forget to stop by iconic landmarks like the Capitolio Nacional and the Gran Teatro de la Habana for a glimpse into Havana's rich cultural heritage. Number 11. Savor Authentic Cuban Cuisine. Experience the rich flavors of Cuban cuisine by indulging in traditional dishes at local paladares, privately owned restaurants, and street food stalls. From succulent roasted pork and hearty black beans to refreshing mojitos and sweet flan, Havana's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Head to La Guarida for upscale dining in a stunningly restored mansion, or try a classic Cuban sandwich at a local cafeteria for an authentic taste of Havana. Number 10. Explore the Malecón. Take a leisurely stroll along the Malecón, Havana's iconic seaside promenade, for breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea and the city skyline. As the sun sets, join locals and visitors alike as they gather along the Malecón to enjoy music, dancing, and the lively atmosphere. Don't forget your camera to capture the stunning sunset over the water, casting a golden glow over the historic buildings lining the shore. Number 9. Visit Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes. Immerse yourself in Cuba's vibrant art scene at the Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes, National Museum of Fine Arts, home to an extensive collection of Cuban and international artwork spanning centuries. Admire masterpieces by renowned Cuban artists such as Wilfredo Lam and Emilia Pelaez, as well as works by Picasso, Goya, and other European masters. The museum's stunning architecture and tranquil courtyards provide the perfect backdrop for an afternoon of cultural exploration. Number 8. Dance the night away. Experience the infectious rhythms of Cuban music by dancing the night away at one of Havana's many salsa clubs and live music venues. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a novice, there's no better way to immerse yourself in Havana's vibrant nightlife scene than by hitting the dance floor with locals and fellow travelers. From intimate jazz clubs to lively salsa bars, Havana offers a diverse array of venues where you can enjoy live music and dance until the early hours of the morning. Number 7. Take a vintage car tour. Step back in time and explore Havana in style aboard a classic vintage car. Cruise through the city streets in a beautifully restored Chevrolet Bel Air or a vibrant pink Cadillac as your knowledgeable guide provides insight into Havana's history and culture. Marvel at the city's architectural gems, including the iconic Hotel Nacional and the majestic Revolution Square, as you soak in the nostalgic charm of Cuba's capital city from the comfort of your vintage ride. Number 6. Discover Hemingway's Havana. Follow in the footsteps of literary giant Ernest Hemingway by visiting some of his favorite haunts in Havana. Start your journey at Finca Vigia, Hemingway's former home and now a museum dedicated to his life and work, where you can explore the rooms where he wrote classics like The Old Man and the Sea. Then, head to La Bodeguita del Medio for a refreshing mojito, a drink famously enjoyed by Hemingway himself, before ending your day at El Floridita, where you can sip on a daiquiri in the same spot where Hemingway once sat. Number 5. Dive into Cuban history at the Museum of the Revolution. Gain insight into Cuba's revolutionary past at the Museum of the Revolution, housed in the former presidential palace of dictator Fulgencio Batista. Explore exhibits detailing key moments in Cuban history, from the early struggles for independence to the revolutionary movements led by Fidel Castro and Che Guevara. Don't miss the chance to see artifacts such as the Gran yacht used during the Cuban Revolution and the iconic statue of Che Guevara located in the museum's courtyard. Number 4. Relax on Playas del Este. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and unwind on the pristine beaches of Playas del Este, located just a short drive from Havana. Sink your toes into the soft white sand, take a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea, or simply soak up the sun while lounging under a palm tree. With its tranquil atmosphere and breathtaking natural beauty, Playas del Este offers the perfect respite from the heat and chaos of urban life. Number 3. Explore the Habana Vieja. Dive deep into the heart of Havana's history by exploring the Habana Vieja, Old Havana. The best way to soak in the essence of this UNESCO World Heritage Site is by wandering its maze-like streets and admiring the colonial-era architecture. Don't miss the iconic landmarks such as the Plaza de Armas, Plaza de la Catedral, and the Castillo de la Real Fuerza. Each corner of Old Havana reveals a piece of Cuba's rich cultural tapestry with vibrant street art, bustling markets, and hidden courtyards waiting to be discovered. Number 2. Wander through Fusterlandia. Step into a whimsical wonderland unlike any other at Fusterlandia, the vibrant mosaic art project created by Cuban artist Jose Fuster. Located in the fishing village of Jaimonitas on the outskirts of Havana, Fusterlandia is a sprawling complex of brightly colored buildings adorned with intricate mosaic tilework depicting everything from mythical creatures to historical figures. Explore the labyrinthine streets lined with sculptures, murals, and mosaics, and marvel at Fuster's creative vision brought to life in this enchanting artistic enclave. Tom. Number 1. Sip on Cuban rum at a Havana distillery. No visit to Havana is complete without sampling Cuba's famous rum at one of the city's historic distilleries. And we'll head to the Havana Club Museum of Rum to learn about the centuries-old tradition of rum production in Cuba and enjoy a guided tasting of the distillery's finest offerings. From smooth añejos to fiery white rums, there's a flavor for every palate to savor. Raise a glass to Havana's rich cultural heritage as you toast to an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Cuba's capital city.